...2016 BMW 435i. Customer purchased a custom box. This one. It goes here. This is where the battery is at. So you're going to take this out. Can you pull this out, please? Basically, you're going to get rid of that cover. And this fits in where that thing is at. Is, of course, it comes with a mount, and it has a special plug, and the battery is here. The amplifier is located on this side. It comes with a special plug that you're going to put it on the back side of it. And this is the sub he bought. I put all the listings on description below. So it fits in there. They give you 2 screw holes right here and couple these, but there's nothing to really put that on, and you don't need it because once this one is slid down like this, it has a cutout on the bottom, so you cannot pull this out, so you don't need to secure this. But the top, however, as you can see, it comes out, so we're just going to put a couple of screws, one here, one on the top, so it doesn't come out like this. As you can see, there is a nice heavy duty felt right here and another one right on this corner. So you're just gonna shoot screw, drywall screw right here, one on each side, that'll secure. And we're gonna put connector here, batteries here, so we're gonna use a 4-gauge amp kit, power and ground, and of course signal from this side. And there should be speaker wire somewhere down there. We're gonna put screws here. So this is the factory amplifier, obviously, right there, and you slide this locking lever out of the way like this, and it comes out. So be careful with this fiber optic. This is the power and the ground. So if you have no audio, sometimes the power disappears, which is a fusible link. I remember one time there was no power here, so we simply grabbed this red blue wire, put our own power cable with the fuse right there, and that made the audio to work. So if you have no audio, check to see if you have a power on this red blue wire, which is the main connection for main power for the amplifier. So these are the speaker wires. As you can see, they are all twisted here, and these heavy gauge wire, those happens to be the sub. So we're gonna put high to low on these and use that as a conversion from speaker to RCA. We're gonna mount the amplifier down here like that. Comes with this Alpine amplifier, comes with high to low already built in. Made a plug that fits in like that. Fuse holder right there. And anytime you connect power to the car side, you gotta fuse it. black red is plus, black brown is a minus on one side, blue red is plus, blue brown is a minus on the other side. We're going to put high to low right here. Comes with this Alpine amplifier, comes with high to low already built in. Made a plug that fits in like that. Wires. Right, so we mount it like that, and for the amp turn on the left hand side there's a lighter plug. This is ignition power, so you're going to grab the power from here on the back of it. It's open, so you grab the wire from the back. That is red yellow wire. That is ignition power, meaning when you put the key in, gets the power. When you take the key out, no power. So you are putting that blue wire connected to this lighter plug here, so that goes on and off with a key. So the fuse holder right there. And anytime you connect power to the car side, you gotta fuse it.